Hey guys, welcome back to my email marketing series. In this episode, I'll be explaining why using a lead magnet is key for growing your email list as fast as possible. I believe 100% it's definitely worth it to spend some time creating something within your niche that's valuable to provide for your audience. The basis of this video will be about how to create an irresistible lead magnet that will get your audience to sign up for your email list. But before I get started, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, my name is Jamar Jones, and I created this channel to provide you guys with actionable tools and a warm community so that you guys can go out and create time, location, and financial freedom for yourselves. So consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. I'll also list all the tools and services I'm talking about in the description down below, and so feel free to check them out at any point in this video. You guys might already know that a lead magnet is a gift or an ethical bribe, like an ebook or a checklist that you give away for free to your audience in exchange for them signing up to your email list. So obviously this gift has to be digital so that you can automatically deliver it once somebody signs up. Okay, so a high converting lead magnet has two features. First, it needs to be very specific to your audience, meaning that you shouldn't give away an ebook on a 10 ab sculpting exercises to an audience who's looking for relationship tips, right? It must be something that your audience can actually use for whatever it is that they're interested in. And it's not only about it being specific to your audience, it's also about solving a problem that your audience has. A great example of a lead magnet is the YouTube channel video influencers that are run by Benji Travis and Sean Kennel. They're giving away a free checklist to upload YouTube videos. Now, this is perfect because all of their entire audience is also into uploading videos onto YouTube. So everybody will want to use their checklist and everybody will end up on their email list. And the second feature your lead magnet should actually have that's valuable, you should ask yourself what the people in your niche actually need and what you or yourself would give away your email for. Right? So kind of spin it around on yourself and think about what you would want in return for giving up your own email. If your audience perceives what you're giving away as valuable, they're much more likely to type in their email address on the spot. And if your lead magnet actually delivers what you're promising, then you actually start off the perfect relationship with your subscriber and you've built up that oh so important trust right off the bat. Even better, they might even share it with others so that it helps you reach even more people. Now let's go over my 5 prime examples of a good lead magnet. The first idea about what you can create for your audience is a checklist. Like I've already mentioned about the previous YouTubers, a checklist can be really valuable and time-saving for your audience, and it also doesn't take very long for you to create. Just think about a process that everybody who is consuming your content is doing and creating a checklist for increasing engagement on a Facebook, or a checklist for setting up a Google ad campaign, or like you've already seen a checklist for uploading YouTube videos. Number 2, a free course can also be a really high value lead magnet if it solves a particular problem. You can either create a short video course like the one I've created about generating free organic traffic for affiliate offers, or setting up an email sequence to send each one of them a lesson each day in written form. Number 3, a template or a preset. This is really great if you're into creating content about photography. For example, you can simply create a template in the photo editing software Lightroom and then give that away. If people like the style of your photos, they're gonna wanna download your preset or template and they would gladly give away their email for it. Number 4, a resource list, for example, that you use for your own blog about SEO or search engine optimization. You could create a list about the 5 most valuable tools or softwares or websites to do keyword research. Last but not least, number 5, an ebook is one of my favorites. This can be a great lead magnet if the information that's on the inside of this ebook actually answers a specific question or solves a specific problem that your audience has. I, for example, give away a free ebook explaining about how to generate passive income with affiliate marketing, as my target audience are people who are interested in doing online business and in generating passive income online. You can find that ebook down in this description down below. A lot of people are going to want to download this ebook as foundational information while they continue learning about how to make money online through affiliate marketing. Some lead magnets are more suitable for certain audiences than others. It's up to you to decide what type is best for your specific audience. I've created most of these types of lead magnets to fit everyone's shortcomings when it comes to affiliate marketing. Another tip that I should mention is that it makes sense to include your contact details and social media links inside your lead magnet. So this way, when people share it with others, they'll be sure to find you and your content. I personally use canva.com to create and design all of my lead magnets and to make them look nice and professional. It's a free website where you can create anything without hardly any design skills. I also use Canva to create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and Pinterest posts. Then I take the cover of the ebook that I've created in Canva and I upload it to a website called Adazing, and I create a 3D mock-up of it. It makes it look really professional, and then I have the perfect image to put on the landing page that we'll be creating in a later episode in this email marketing series. If for some reason you still don't know what lead magnet to create, or you simply don't have the time to create something, you do have the possibility of going to a website like IDPLR and purchasing something that you can give away to your subscribers or your viewers. This site has stuff pretty much in every niche, and if you decide to buy something, you also get the white label rights to give it away to your audience. They also have videos and templates, graphic PNGs, and a lot more stuff to it, so it can't hurt to take a look around. I'll leave the links to these websites that I've just mentioned down below in the description so you can check them out if you want. All right, so you should now have a pretty good idea about what a good lead magnet is that will make up your audience. Never hesitate to sign up for your email list. I want you guys to tell me in the comments down below, what do you think is the best lead magnet for your specific audience? Or if you still don't know yet, let me know what audience you're trying to find the perfect lead magnet for, and I might be able to give you some more tips and ideas for your specific case. Okay, that's going to be it for this second episode of my email marketing series. In the third episode, we'll get you started on your free 30-day trial for GetResponse, the email marketing system that I recommend you set up and get your first email list started. If you guys enjoyed this content today, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm on my channel. It gets my videos shown to more people, allowing me to provide my content to help people create more free training for you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Peace.